Hello, my name is Aiden Barra, and I would like to just demonstrate briefly my vehicle management application for you. So, the way this works is I am able to, let me just refresh it, so the new slate. So I can add a vehicle to this using this this form here. Let's say it's 12 gallons. So if I add the vehicle, it adds it to a garage, a metaphorical garage, and it will display the most recent information. I can update this. So let's say I drive and I use up the tank, and then refill it. I can put here refilled tank, and that's an entry. So now my odometer goes up, but my fuel level stays the same because I refilled it. And every time I do this, so I wanted to enter another one in here. I can. It has to be larger than the one previous. 3 gallons of fuel, and I won't put a description for this one. It'll show just some basic information and update here that information. And you can do as many vehicles as you want. So let's do a 2009 Civic. So here's that, and then let's see, same thing. I can do a refuel, and I will add an entry there, and let's do another one. Excuse me, 5 gallons. And no entry does that. So, and it can just keep track of the vehicle usage there. So yeah, that's the general idea of the app, and let me just show you some of the code behind this. So I used a React web application for this. So using the React framework, the useState library or module, and then I pulled from my previous class objects from a previous project. Although I updated some of it because there were some things missing, so I added this get logbook to keep some encapsulation, and added the ability to create an ID for every vehicle. So this is just a basic React application. So it's all held within this home function. You have the garage variable and a setter for that variable, and each of these have one as well. So then these are the like states for the forms, the vehicle form and the entry form. So both of these are used to keep the record for your vehicles. And then I have the handle add vehicle, which will add a vehicle to the garage. So it sets the garage with the new vehicle value there. And then handle add entry is the same thing. It takes the entry and adds it to the selected vehicle. So then, like this selected vehicle. So then, and here, this is how you write like formatting for the page. So, for example, this main, it's similar to HTML, except that this class name parameter is used to handle formatting. So the max width, for example, on this is 2XL, which is how you indicate size in TypeScript. There's small, medium, large, and extra large, and then 2XL, 3XL, and so on. So then this is the vehicle form. You use the same thing as similar to HTML, where it's got a placeholders, a class name. On change, you can have a function that it will call, and then inputs and buttons and things. It has a place where it displays the garage, and it uses a loop to do that. Or excuse me, it uses a map function to apply the formatting to each item, each vehicle in the garage. And then lastly, this is the add entry. So this displays the vehicle when you select a vehicle, and then it also will open up the add entry form. So yeah, that's just the basic structure of my React application. Still have a lot to learn about React and how to build more with the framework, but it was a good experience, and I'm glad I was able to get it to a working point. Thank you.